Global temperatures have increased in the last century. Ice and snow cover are disappearing, and rising sea levels potentially endanger our coastlines, posing a possible threat to major cities or even whole nations. Climate change is a reality, and it's probably one of the biggest challenges in the history of humankind. To meet this global challenge, a global response is required. Eumetsat, together with partners from all over the world, is joining the effort to support global climate change monitoring through the provision of satellite data records for climate applications over decades, with the highest possible level of reliability and stability.
Eumetsat satellites continuously and reliably monitor weather and climate on Earth. Our robust and sustained satellite systems also include data processing and archiving, important processes that are needed to provide reliable information on the status and dynamics of the Earth's climate. This information in turn will assist policymakers and regional and national infrastructure planners. It will support initiatives such as GMES, and it will help to manage the human health risks associated with climate change. And via our product Navigator, we can bring meteorological, climate and environmental data to the fingertips of many users. I truly believe that Eumetsat is uniquely positioned to contribute to the global challenge of climate change monitoring.
To better understand the global climate system, and especially to be able to anticipate its future evolution, not only do we need global data sets, we must also coordinate climate analysis, modeling and predictions on an equally global basis in order to establish the correct climate state and to create powerful modeling tools for climate prediction. In order to support climate monitoring, Eumetsat at its central facility and through its satellite application facility on climate monitoring generates fundamental climate data records. And as a second priority, thematic climate data records. Fundamental data records, or FCDRs, are sensor data that have been calibrated, quality controlled and improved over time. For example, from the Eumetsat series of satellites. Thematic climate data records are geophysical variables derived from the FCDR, like, for example, sea surface temperature.
In addition to the support of operational meteorology, Eumetsat's mandate is to contribute to the detection of climate change. The Eumetsat operational satellites from the Eumetsat and METOP series, in addition to their capabilities to support weather monitoring, also have important potential for supporting climate change monitoring for the generation of essential climate variables. In addition to the satellites, Eumetsat has developed a significant infrastructure for data archiving and processing, which is essential in order to generate climate data records of sustained quality and availability over decades. Eumetsat, with its operational experience, infrastructure and satellites, is very well placed to take up the challenge of the global change monitoring in the coming decades.